Hey, what's up guys? Today we have a complete step-by-step guide for absolute beginners on what to do when your brand new Nimo Arena desktop arrives at your doorstep. We are covering everything unboxing, safe handling, GPU installation, plugging into a cable correctly. This is going to be a detailed, comprehensive walkthrough, so I highly recommend hitting that save button and giving this video a like right now so you can reference it as your go. If you have a friend who just bought their first desktop, definitely share this with them. Follow these steps and you won't mess anything up. Let's dive right in. First thing first, when a FedEx or UPS guy drops out your box, do not rush or rip it open. Pull out your phone and start recording a video. Keep it rolling while you inspect the outer shipping box for any major dents, punctures, or signs of rough handling. If the box looks completely destroyed, you might want to contact our customer service immediately or document it thoroughly for shipping insurance claims. If everything looks solid, let's go ahead and open it up. Just a quick heads up, guys, the packaging and accessories I'm using for this video are just for demonstration. When your actual PC arrives, the official packaging is going to be way more secure and heavily padded than what you see here. Also, the included accessory like the power cord, Wi-Fi antennas, or extra screws might look slightly different depending on what exactly spec you order. So always refer to the actual items in your box, but the setup process is exactly the same. Once you open up the box, you'll see the PC case tightly packed with a thick protective foam. Now, how do you get a heavy PC case out of the box? Pro tip, especially if you don't want to strain your back or accidentally drop it. Flip the entire box over on the floor. Then cut the tape at the bottom, all of them, and open it. Now, you need to push the whole PC case out of the box like this. There you go. Then flip the case back over like this. Take off the foam on the top. And then the foam on the bottom. Be careful. There you go. Quick notes. Do not throw away the original box or the foam inserts. Store them into a garage or closet if you ever move houses or need to ship the PC back to warranty. Service down the road. The original packaging is the only way to guarantee your PC arrives safely. Do a quick visual check. Ensure the tempered glass panel isn't cracked and the metal chassis isn't dented. If anything looks off, take the photos and hit our customer service. If it looks pristine, let's move to the next step. So at the right side of the case, there's a little notch right here. So give it a little pull, then you can take off the glass. Be careful. Lay the PC flat on a table or a carpet. Then unscrew the thumb screws right here. Put the screws in a small ball or your pocket so they don't roll away. And then take off the metal panel. Gently pull all of that internal packaging out. This is where you can find your accessory box with a power cable and Wi-Fi antennas. So grab those and set them aside. While you're in here, do a quick sanity check. Gently press down the RAM stick and ensure the CPU cooler cable didn't wriggle loose during the shipping. So if you got the 5060 version, you can skip ahead the cabling part. If you got the 5080 version, here is how you install the GPU. Now, look at the top, the longest PCIe slot on your motherboard. Line up with the GPU with the back of the case, right here. Make sure you have already removed the metal panel, two of them right here. Now let's insert the card. Hold the GPU firmly with both hands, aligning with the slot, and push down straight. You should hear a click sound that means the motherboard latch has locked the card into the place. Now find the other two screws that you have just unscrewed before and put them back. This is for secure the GPU bracket to the case. And also this prevent the heavy card from sagging. All right, now let's plug in power. Locate the power cable coming from the PSU. For the RTX 5080, it would be the new 12V HPWR cable. This is crucial. Push the connector all the way in until, yes. Make sure there is absolutely no gap between the plug and the socket. A loose connection on a high power card like 5080 can cause melting issues. Double check it. Once that's done, put the tempered glass panel back on. And then the hardware side is ready to go. Your monitor came with a display port or HDMI cable. Listen carefully. You must plug this cable into the port on your graphics card, not the port at the top of the motherboard. The GPU ports are located horizontally lower down the back of the case. If you plug it into the motherboard, your PC will use weak integrated graphics, and your expensive 5080 will literally be doing nothing. Hit the power button and watch your monitor come to life.